Welcome back. Let's take a look right now at your full weather forecast. Starting with the Farmer's Almanac, today's sunrise was at 9:01 a.m. Today's sunset was at 5:28 p.m. The average temperature at this time of year is an average high of -7 and an average low of -19. The pressure will be at 102 kPa tomorrow, and the next full moon is on January 31st. Looking at Dawson Creek today, we saw a high of -15, record high of +12 back in 1993, and a record low of -44 in 1969. In Chetwynd, a high of -16, record high of +12 in 1993, record low of -41 in 2008. In Fort St. John, a high today of -16 there as well, a record high of +10 again in 1993, pretty warm year, and a record low of -40 in 1947. And in Fort Nelson, a high of -20 today, a record high of +6 set in 2008, and a record low of -44 set just the following year, 2008. Now we're going to look at the regional forecast. So in Hudson's Hope, we see there's a bit of a chance of flurries expected tomorrow with a high of -17. Fort Nelson, mainly cloudy up there with a high of -22. Chetwynd, Fort St. John, and Dawson Creek all looking at the same thing. We got a chance of snow tomorrow with a high of -21 in all three places. Tumbler Ridge, we see a little bit of sun there, but mainly cloudy with flurries and a high of -16. Moving over into Alberta now, we see Spirit River, a high of -18 with a little bit of sun, but mostly cloudy and a chance of flurries there as well. In Grand Prairie, we see it's mostly cloudy with snow tomorrow and a high of -17. Now we look at the 5-day forecast for Fort St. John. Tonight we're going to see some snow with an overnight low of -20. Tuesday, snow again during the day with a high of -21 and a low of -22. Wednesday, mostly cloudy with flurries, a high of 25 and a low of -22 and a low of -25, excuse me. Thursday, we're going to see clouds and snow with a high of -22 and a low of -28. And Friday, same thing, clouds and snow with a high of -22 and a low of -28. Looking at Dawson Creek's 5-day forecast now, very similar to Fort St. John. Overnight tonight, we're going to see an overnight low of -20 with some snow. On Tuesday, we're going to see snow as well tomorrow with a high of -21 and a low of -22. Wednesday, mainly cloudy with a chance of flurries with a high of -22 and a low of -25. And Thursday and Friday, snow both days, high of -22 and a low of -28 on both days as we head into that weekend. So now we're going to look at the BC and Alberta forecast. And we see over here in Prince Rupert, mostly rainy tomorrow with a high of 5. Vancouver, bit of sun there, but mostly showers and things like that. 60% chance of showers with a high of +7. Prince George, a mix of sun and cloud with a high of 0. And moving over into Alberta, we see Edmonton, high of -9 with flurries tomorrow. In Calgary, very nice conditions there. Mix of sun and cloud with a high of 3. And now we're going to take a look at our national forecast.